Dear traders, welcome to FX Mentor. In this video, we are going to talk about the strategy for the exponential moving averages indicator. Yes guys, this indicator is very special and you can use this indicator on the scalping and also for the day trading purpose. It depends on you which type of trader you are and which time frame you normally use. So this indicator is valid for all time frames. Moreover, guys, if you are into Forex, crypto, or any type of financial market, you can use this indicator successfully on TradingView completely for free. And in this video, I will talk about that how you can use this indicator with the good approach. So before I start this video, please, if you have not subscribed FX Mentor, please subscribe the YouTube channel so that we can talk about the daily market analysis. And there are already a lot of videos shared on the page, right? Okay, guys. So this indicator is very special. If we talk about the indicator, the name of the indicator is Urban Towers by Monicor, and it has 322 downloads till now. So guys, what it do, basically it provides you with the sell position when it will change its bands color to the orange color. This will be the weakness of the market, and when it will turn its band to the white color and you see any candle closes above it, so it's kind of a bullish sign, right? So for example, if I pick the arrow here the color was started, and you can see the gold 15-minute chart is already dropped, and where we have received the buy signal above the candle, you can see there was a good scalping chance. Okay, so guys, as I have already told you that this video is not related to scalping only, you can also do day trading as well. Look at this pattern. Let me show you. The candles were closed above the moving average, and you can see a very decent height that the market has gathered after this indicator. That's why I like this indicator very much. So let me show you its signals on gold at the moment. So guys, right now you can see that we have a white signal running here, and you can see this candle was closed above the moving averages line, and you can see we are consistently into the upward direction. However guys, please note down my advice that if we talk about the signals, that definitely the indicators are giving the signals and this is how the indicator works, but I work with a different approach. So let me delete that line and let me show you again, because I try my best to give the trading with the trend lessons. So guys, look what I normally do. Like for example, look, this is the downtrend running on the 15-minute gold chart. So you have received the buy signal into the downward trend. Like for example, look at this period here, we also received a buy signal. So guys, if you want to get the best success rate from this indicator, then trade it with the trend, like I have already advised this thing in my other videos. So this is the buy signal, ignore this one, and when the next signal starts to turn orange for sell, then go for the sell position, because this will be the trading with the trend and you will be able to catch maximum profitable trades. And the second lesson that I normally give in my videos is to avoid ranging patterns, right? So where you see that the markets are slow, do not trade such pairs. Like for example, if I go to CHF JPY, this is a slow pair. Now you can see, look at this pattern, this is ranging pattern. So in the ranging pattern, you can expect the brown color as well, and you can also expect the white color as well, and you will be get confused. So always choose the good pairs. Like you can see in my trading list, you can see USD CHF, gold, euro USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, Great Britain pound JPY, AUD JPY, Great Britain pound USD, and euro JPY. These are the good pairs, and the other one is AUD USD, and NZD USD is also a good pair. So do not choose the slower ones, because you can be stuck inside the trading, right? Okay, now let me tell you with the trend trading with this indicator. Look, this is USD CHF chart. Look, this is the upward trend, right? Okay, however, this drop has come, don't worry, but now you look at here. In the upward trend, we have received a sell signal that wasn't stayed for the long period of time, and again the market hit back into the upward direction. Now this could be a possibility, might be trend getting changed, and because this is a good drop that we have seen, and once we will see that this is a upward pattern, and once we will see that the downward pattern had started, for example, if the market stands here and we can clearly make a trend line that the market is going down, then guys, we can start working on sell positions, not the buy positions. But however, you need to follow the trend trading with the indicator to be safe, right? Okay, so it's a kind of a middle pattern on euro USD. I'm not going to talk about it. Look, this is the trend pattern. Look, the downward trend is working on USD JPY. Like Okay, look at here, the downward trend is working. Now you can see the sell signals will be satisfactory and the buy signals will not be satisfactory, and you can see for the smaller period of time the market went up, but then again it got a huge drop as well. So the guys, this is called trading with the trend, and if you just follow my this advice, you will be one of the successful traders, right? Okay, so this is how, like, this is the USD CAD 1 minute 15 minute working, and Great Britain pound JPY already into the ranging zone, so let's avoid it. And AUD JPY is also ranging at the moment, so let's not talk about this as well, because some pairs get slow, we do not have a control over the financial market like this. Okay, so overall you can see the signals are very good. I mean, it's working on the all time frame. So let me show you the 1 minute time frame, that how it is performing. Okay, if we go to the 1 minute time frame, you can see this is the downtrend. Downtrend won't work perfectly well on USD CHF. Gold upward trend. Now you can see. Okay, remember my advice: avoid the sell signal into the upward trend, and if you only take the white signals, the buy signals, you will be successful. Like, okay, Euro USD, okay, the upward trend worked very fine. Now the downward trend is working. That's very good. Even 1 minute signals are very good. Okay guys, now again the same lesson. This is the market. The market is into the ranging pattern. Do not trade that one. It should be trending. Look, the market is ranging, so here you can expect random signals. So guys, you can use this indicator on any time frame. However, I will advise you 15 minute and the 1 hour time frame, because you can see on the 1 hour USD CHF it's working extremely fine, and you will be able to catch very long trades with the indicator by using it on the 1 hour trading. 1 hour trade will be will be very good, but avoid the slow market conditions like it's going on USD JPY 1 hour, right? So guys, this is all about the indicator. I have mentioned you the name, and you can download it from TradingView and you can use it for free. And guys, what are your thoughts about this indicator? Please must mention into the comment box. And guys, please support FX Mentor by subscribing, sharing, and thank you very much for watching this video.